Hopefully that doesn't mess up the stream. No, perfect. All right, we litty, we litty. What else I need open? Yeah, fuck it. Bow, bow, bow. All right, man. Let's see. Let's see. What up? What up? Good morning, everybody.
What's up with it?
Not much, man. Trying to get active.
Hell yeah, I feel it.
Shit. All right, so 28,700 finna be hit. Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, man. Everything here is for educational purposes only. More entertainment.
Man, what's good, yo?
It's goody.
What's
Yeah.
going on? What's going
Tonight I ain't trading today, nigga. Well, this session, nigga, I'm done for the day.
Word, word. Hey, man. Pinky's up.
For real. I have passed some Lucid accounts and shit.
Yeah, take the day off, man. Enjoy your day off. You've been working
Yeah.
hard.
Lucid.
If you want a little PTO, you're more than welcome.
Well, thank you.
That's how we do it around here. But yeah, we got pretty much this range we're in. I'm gonna watch this low right here. We could be sweeping these to go higher.
What's going on with you? All right, let's see. This shit fell. Fuck! This shit fell. Damn.
Almost took shorts again in Asia.
Shorts. It is again. Okay. I wouldn't say today's gonna be bullish. I ain't gonna lie. If it does go bullish, I probably won't take no trades. Damn, this is bearish. Alright. What happened? What happened, bro?
Sorry.
Did someone speak?
I spoke.
Well, stop doing it.
Yeah, I gave the
Yeah,
move of the
market's looking
century.
good.
Like, this shit is in the gutter. I would say a retracement is The only thing I would have to wait for, but goddamn, I gotta wait for a retracement
We just hit
till it
Monday's
retrace
low on NQ.
on NAS.
Yeah.
It hasn't ran it for me yet, but it's about to. What?
I'm surprised you don't use the contract charts.
Cause it'd be delayed. You pay for data.
Yeah.
I'll pay for that shit, nigga.
Nah, I feel you, but the contract, bro. One thing about the NAS 100 charts and the
Second
NQ, like the thing is, bro, it was a low on the chart that wasn't
Nah,
swept
I
on
gotta
NAS
be more than
100.
10 seconds because this shit still ain't running. I just didn't think they're the same price.
Yeah.
Had a low that
I hate
was
when that
swept.
happens. It's
I'll
like,
say, does it affect me? Because I'm not trading all the futures chart. You're trading all the chart you're looking at, so it's different. I'm not trading all this chart. Well, I have just, if I were to switch to your chart, that wouldn't be what my broker looks like. So then I would try it myself. If I was on like a prop firm, then it would be a little different. But yeah, all this is extremely, like extremely bearish.
yeah.
Just don't got an entry on it. Like I'm all for the shorts. I just don't got an entry. I need a retracement of some sort, of something, like something, anything. Even if it's just to this little area right here. Because that's also a 4 hour. And at this point, I mean, shit. What are the chances it gives me a big ass pullback? You never know. Something like this could be all it really is. Just keep that continuation to the downside. Like there's no fib, nothing. But I have to also be willing to take a L trying to catch that fast ass short in case it does go back up into the range.
I would say if you're a scalper, best case for you is you're able to buy it back up into a premium level from this level, from here. But even then, I probably would be with you on the shorts because it should, yeah.
I mean, I just feel like shorts make the most sense. I just don't know about entering.
I'm just gonna be cautious.
And stop loss of 50 is 50 doesn't look like a lot of points. The way it's moving, this would still be a 1 to 2.
I seen this nigga ICT. I woke up at like 7 something this morning, randomly. I seen this nigga ICT post on X talking about some 28,700 is gonna get hit. That shit was all the way up there.
Nice.
Yeah, this nigga called that.
It already got hit.
Yeah, it just got hit.
Makes sense. Now watch this start chopping.
Either it chops or we get some kind of pullback.
Oh, I don't want to hear that. Damn, it sucks. It has already moved so much. Like anyone that traded London session, they waited and waited and waited, and they finally got this volume, 7 and 8. Hey, all we can do is just be patient. That's all we can do. Worst case, I don't get no trade, which isn't even a worst case. You know what I'm saying, save capital, come back tomorrow. Nah, where Mac at? Mac's sleeping in again. Where's a Hall of Fame sleeping in on vacation? Where sucks.
Okay. Hey man, shout out to everybody watching right now.
Fact, shout out to me.
We got 3 viewers. Let's get it. We up. Streamer of the year.
You know it's hilarious. Not yeah. You know it's hilarious, Kyle.
What?
I went into comment on your thing, and I'm logged into fucking Chinaman's YouTube for some reason, and I just realized it. I typed it. I'm like, what the hell?
That's funny. This
That
nigga,
ain't me.
This nigga left his fucking trading. I forgot one of his accounts I logged out. It was a few months ago. It was whenever that nigga came over here. He logged into like all his Top Step accounts. He had left it on my laptop. I was like, damn, dude. I'd be logging out to everything.
Nah, yeah, bro's he log in and forget he log in. He must log in everywhere. Shit. Cause I didn't even know he had my YouTube on here. I didn't even know he logged out mine, nigga.
Hey, he got premium?
Nah.
Damn.
What did I walk
Nah, no
in on?
premium.
What up, Weaver? What it do?
Yo,
Yeah, that shit follow. Is it $30? Yes, $30. Damn, that shit
it's not
follow.
30. I'm here for
No
more
retrace.
support. I was not trading today, thug.
I'm cool with trading. I just don't know if I'm gonna get a trade to trade. You know what I'm saying?
I'll take all the moral support I
I
can get.
felt that same way yesterday, but today I said, yeah, nah, I ain't today. So
Alright, let's see.
I'm all for it though. If the opportunity presents itself, you know what I'm saying? But until
hope
then,
everybody make 5K today.
yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be risking that much to be able to make that. But you know, God willing.
You got to redo that, my bro.
Look like we get a retracement, but I don't like how we read that low just now.
It should be going on too.
Like how this is how my price action look. It just ran Monday's low, so it could start rejecting on some shit.
Yo, Jay, this got too low right here. What you think?
I'm bearish, but we gonna find out. I like shorts on both of them, but I don't know when it's gonna fall from. I don't know if it's gonna give a retracement.
Right there on the floor.
That's where it gets tricky.
It look like he's selling too low. Just from
You
that
said what?
it looks
Selling
like
too
you're
low?
selling too low just from that perspective.
That's what I'm saying, but that would be the closest. Like anywhere else for me to short, I need dead ass with 200 points.
Yeah.
So this is like the
So
closest and only thing I got besides that. This is where I was saying if I short, and I might have to possibly take an L to find out if it's gonna retrace or not. Because it's so low, it could keep trending and not give a retracement. But if I don't take it, I won't find out. You know what I'm saying?
Yesterday,
maybe you can
shit.
look at like the 28,900 level because that'll be at least 50% of a pullback.
I just don't know if I want to see it fully pull back or not. If it pulls back fully, I feel like we could just end up staying in that range. It's like I want to bet that we could just trend and not go back into this range right now. Because all the gap is right by that previous day's low, and there's also a 4-hour, which will probably be the next possible bet. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna get retracement, but it ran Monday's low now.
Yeah.
30's retracing fully. 30 looked like it would be in a little drawdown, so I'll keep waiting. See what Nas does.
You hit the Jeep. Hold on, chat. I'll be right back.
Yeah, 30 going up right now.
Leaving me
If 30
now,
keeps
my
going up
dad.
like it's going, then we might be able to get a retracement on Nas. Also, if I look at US 30, she just froze. Okay. If I look at US 30, we have a 4-hour over here. But I feel like that 4-hour is a little lower than I would want. 4 hours a little lower than I would want. Yeah, it looks like 30 is not holding that area. So if that's the case, Nas could possibly have a similar. Nas, did it touch that gap? No, it didn't. Could be getting ready to go up. I wish I liked false break moves a little more. This is a possible false break move because if this doesn't, like I can't talk. If this does ends up retracing or reversing, this would still be the lowest possible spot that you would probably want to get that entry. Just not a fan of these false breaks. And people on US 30 ran like an old ass Sunday's low. That's what led to this false break. What's S&P doing? Retracement also. Yeah, I think they have some room to go up right now based off of how US 30 is moving.
Would you short off the 4-hour on 30 or not?
I would. I don't know if I am.
My bad, chat. Go.
Cause it's right by the 38.20, the continuation level.
Yeah, man. Shout
Yeah,
out
it's
Andre
possible.
Diaz.
Yeah, shout out Andre Diaz.
Oh, snap, crackle, pop.
Yeah, it look like they can give a retracement higher right now. think US
It's
30 could be
needed.
a good possibility, but I'll see what happens. I want to see when it actually starts to reject in case it just keeps shooting up and just keeps shooting up. Because it's a pretty fast retracement, not gonna lie.
Oops. Let's go ahead and kind of pre-measure this a little bit for a
Well, my
potential.
mic went down. I'm tweaking. You talking about 30, Dre?
On what? I'm
You
looking
said
at
that
both.
if
Like
it,
shorts on both.
oh, okay.
And
My
both have
mic
similar
went on.
ideas. One is just retracing more.
I was saying when you was, I think right around the time you stopped trading false break moves was around the time I fell in love with him. That
Yeah,
shit,
baby.
it was crazy. I done had a crazy 2 months.
That top go by fast. Yeah, it looked like that's about to give the retracement too. Let's see. He got close to my retracement and start rejecting immediately. Don't do that, bitch. Don't do that. Keep going up. Get the full retracement. Slowly but surely. Damn, this fucking shit here is all in the way. Yeah, that is 4 hour. Just a little bit. Yeah, if 30 can retrace up here, it will fill in the 4 hour and this 1 hour. And I think at that point, I'd be willing to take a trade. 100-point stop loss type shit.
Okay, we moving, we moving.
Now, yeah, we getting a retracement.
Alright, we back, we back. Alright, getting that push back into that premium level.
Which one you like more, Nas or 30?
I'll probably trade 30 because Nas be a bitch.
I
30
feel
more
that.
straight up.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. 30 at least is looking like it's willing to give this retracement right now. So I just need it to give me it fully. If it doesn't give it to me fully, it is what it is.
Let's see, is this the first gap after 930? 930, yeah. This might be a move right now. 930. Did we run any lows?
Retrace more. Need you to retrace a little bit more. Just a little higher.
That's crazy. Yeah. 30.
This is right at the 50%.
Conversions. 30 might be able to hit all the way up here. 52, 350.
I need 30 just to retrace a little bit. Why are you doing this? Just go up a little bit more. A little bit more, big dog. That little bit more is 100 points, goddamn. And that's still, I needed to go up 130 points. One of them's going to give me a retracement. I'll just have my alert on both. $30's like right under this 1 hour. Oh yeah, that 1 minute's been consolidating. Come on, 30. Let's get this last little push retrace. You could drop off all you want. this rate, Nas gonna give the retracement right when you do.
It's still early, man. Let's see what NQ talking about, man. Let's go over this first gap. Running these.
Yeah, 30 is not retracing like Nas. At this point, Nas might give me the retracement before 30. 30, you came up and you started consolidating. Don't come this close just to not give me what I came for. Just go up. And ideally, I want to see the retracement happen before 10 so we can just keep falling at 10. That's what I want to see. I want to see us retrace into it fully, reject a little bit, and then 10 o'clock just drop. That's my thought process.
Got a good push going right there on NQ.
That's what I'm
Still
saying.
trying to make our
IQ is
way
going
up
to
into
get
this
this gap.
premium level. That's the last swing point, so I just got fibs all the way from that point to the low. In order for the markets to, continue, usually I always look
Shit,
at bare
Nas might
minimum
really be the
50%.
one that give me the trade. Damn, I don't know if I want to try to take it on Nas at 30. 30 still hasn't it's just stopped retracing. Dead ass. Shit been consolidating for 10 minutes damn there.
Getting that push all the way out there, 28,900. I was that was the level I was saying. That's potential level we could just fall from. I do want to also point out this high right here. Could just sweep that and then reverse lower. So
It's a weekly imbalance right at this retracement on 32. Yeah, 30's giving his retracement. Nas giving the retracement. Honestly, I don't know which one I'm gonna take. I might just have to stick with 30.
but you
I
got
didn't want to stay
multiple
with it,
lined
but
up
both of
though,
them
huh?
have. I got a few. I got a weekly. I got a
That's
4
usually
hour.
good, huh?
I mean, I hope so.
I would assume that's good.
I would assume too, but this month has been
Yeah, you
very
got the weekly.
deceiving.
You already hit the weekly. I don't know if
Yo, inicio, blood. Captación.
Yo,
about
this
to
shit
hit
keep
the
getting mad
4 hour.
close. Make a new price, motherfucker. She's been just chopping in this. Look at this. Just go up.
I wouldn't be
Just go
upset
up.
if we also went to all-time highs.
Wait a minute, buddy.
Wait, yeah, you took it. Yeah, you took it too far, bro.
Wait a minute, buddy.
A
You
little
know,
too far, huh?
we're pretty low to be asking for all-time highs.
Top of the market.
That's like asking for a reversal, basically. That's like asking for it to
I mean,
reverse.
we ran the lows from June, a previous month's low, so it's wiggle room.
Maybe.
Wiggle room.
If that's the case, I need to come back tomorrow and let whatever happens today happen.
You're waiting on this retracement, right?
Yeah, but Cal said he might want to see this shit go to all-time high, so I
Ain't
don't
gonna
know.
happen today, obviously.
Nah, he already put that shit into the air. I don't want to hear it.
Low key, that shit
Today
was
would be
exciting.
insane. I'm not going. That would be another Trump tweet.
No, dead ass. That would erase
What?
like an entire month's worth of price action, which would be
Dead
insane.
That nigga,
Yo, this shit keep getting mad close to this retracement and not tagging this shit. Too close. It's just chopping me up here. Look at this. Then it's gone.
Ooh wee.
Yeah, we'll see if it gives a retracement or not. At this point, I still got nothing to do. It had a retracement, just missed it on both. Just barely.
My bad, chat.
The fact that it's missing it though make me feel like it will go up.
This nigga has a crazy long antenna on the top of his car. That shit might be as tall as me, bro. That shit might be taller than me. It's different. I think if I stood on his car, that antenna would still be taller than me.
Valid.
Wait, I could just show you.
Tell me why. I went to the range yesterday. So I have a self-defense rounds. I got red tips for the 5.56, but I always just I only have 20, so I'll just put the 20 in the 30 mag. So I found a 20 mag, and the 20 mag like sits flush with my handle, and it's amazing.
That's fire.
It's amazing.
Why everybody going 15 miles an hour? Like, the fucky?
Showed Mac how to shoot a gun for the first time. Now he's
Oh,
officially a
shit.
YN.
Well,
There's a darn two Inceptibus.
I don't like this
Max
price action.
finna jump in the
I feel like
call
it's
on
gonna go
demon
up.
time.
Watch this nigga stop, too.
man, the
When
day I
price does
choose
movement
to
like
not
this, it makes me
trade,
feel like it is
I
gonna really
just-
push.
that's crazy.
I don't like this for bearish price action, at least right now, the way it's trying to set up. I feel like this bullishness is getting ready to,
Keep
if
going
not
through.
push just into this gap, at least maybe push higher. Because it's missing these gaps. Like I said, I want to see this happen sooner than later. I wanted to see a fast retracement and then immediately start trying to rebalance back to the downside. This is slowly holding, looking like it might close bullish in 12 minutes to possibly 10 o'clock. And like I've been
So
saying
you
all
might
week,
have
what
to
have I
wait
been
till
saying with 10?
Monday.
10 o'clock been on some reversal type time. So,
Yeah, you may have to wait until Monday.
whoa there, you know, I'm not a fan of all this today.
It's only
You guys are
Thursday.
hurting my feelings. Nah, it's Thursday, but you guys are hurting my feelings.
Hey man, look, number one, we're dealing with Trump. You don't know what we're gonna get. Number two, you got the little war. Number three, the investors don't want to touch the market.
Shit.
That
They
shit's
never
been
wanna touch
touching the fuck out this shit.
Gangsters.
Yeah,
Um,
this shit is up and down.
I
No
mean, you can trade it.
retracement is crazy.
I ain't saying that you can trade it though.
It's cooler, bro. It's cooler.
Yep, there goes down. If it just falls from here and just drops, it never even gave me the retracement to even say I would have taken the trade.
It gave a pretty decent retracement, but it didn't fill the gap.
Nah, I ain't give me
Oh
mine.
no, what it is? I found the oh, it's not new.
Because
Perfecto
that
way.
I wouldn't say that didn't retrace. It just didn't
I
come up
found
as high.
perfect way
Nah,
to
but it
trade.
didn't give anything I could have did with it, so it's
Found
useless.
the perfect way to trade in the impulse move. Okay, the way you would trade it is you use the inverted fair value gap / order block, if you want to call it that, and you create a range out of it and see if it breaks past that, and you catch the breakout of it. No, into a continuation. Sometimes it could be a continuation or reversal. You could draw a trend line and all that good stuff.
You said all that good stuff.
Yeah, that's where you get the impulse move. I like off that 50%. Yeah, just like if you see an inverted fair value gap before, it could be before the day, or it could be on the previous day.
That shit really just left without us.
Bro, the way these
Fantastic.
fucking roads is built, bro, is ridiculous.
That shit was mad close and just couldn't give me the bare minimum.
It's doing this.
Yeah, that
It's
shit
making me
goofy.
think that we might end up going bullish.
That's what
Yeah.
I said, bro. The way it's bullshitting like this. Like, it could have just gave me the retracement and fell. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, here's
That's
the
it.
thing. Here's the thing.
Nah,
Just
bye,
go back
bye.
You got to look.
I buy
No,
nasty.
yeah, you got to see if it becomes an order block, or it respects the fair value gap, or if you look at them one now, right? You gotta hope that remains a fair value gap for the next 10 minutes, and it don't turn into a continuation. No, I'm looking at the 1 hour candle.
I'm already
No,
salty.
literally on the 1 hour candle.
Bullish, I ain't gonna hold you.
And we got the macro. Alright.
I'm opening up, take a trade along from the 618 to this 15-minute candle.
Watching this 3.
Damn, these shorts were too easy, man. You just want to retrace, man.
Come on.
That be the moves that play out the smoothest, the ones that don't give you the entry. They don't want you in it.
That boy
Shit wasn't
saying,
for
like,
you.
No, that's why I talk about the inverted fair value gap. But it already passed that. And actually it's adjacent to that from I guess you could say Wednesday. Yeah, you could have caught the short from Wednesday afternoon. That would have been man, I'm gonna turn on the screen. So what I'm saying makes sense.
What's this
Oh,
lower
that's
time
it.
frame
Man,
look like?
that crazy. Yeah, I'm all
Lower time frame look like this bitch finna flip and go bullish.
I'll say yeah, the 15 because I had that 1 15-minute candle. You got to see how this next couple minutes play out. This
Yeah.
is gonna try to go up or down, but even then, I don't really got nothing to buy off of going up. So
Look at the fundamentals. See how those line up. So
They got me delivering this shit into this fucking children's hospital, and I had a
What you
weapon
doing
on
right
me.
now? You
looking
doing
kind
like
of
Uber
bearish.
DoorDash,
Right.
Jimmy?
Security. Oh,
Really?
okay, finally needs move. Okay, now I can screenshot what I'm saying. I don't say screenshot.
Fundamentals. Everything's kind of down right
Okay,
now.
let's go to 30 minutes. Okay, perfect.
Yo, top of the morning.
They go 20.
Top of the morning. Top
So
of the
young
I'm
morning.
trying to drop a DoorDash order off to the Nelson building. It's in the back over there. I could just come back out over here when I'm done.
Damn, why my shit seem mad low?
60% of clients are long.
Mm.
Hold on.
nice.
All right.
Oh, drop.
It's some
Okay,
bullshit.
now I can show it.
You know what? My other option will be is
Mm.
we just close bearish and then I
Okay,
take the
look.
original gap that was low as shit.
Let me find that.
But I wait for
inverted
it to
fair-
close bearish if that's the case.
Let me
Because I don't
find
think
the
we'll retrace if we just keep close
inverted
bearish at
fair
least.
value
I
gap
wouldn't want a retracement.
Yeah, everything is
to the
mixed
shorts.
right now.
Oh, previous. Oh yeah, my bad. Previous. Damn, I was already. Nah, that's not it. God damn it. Oh, okay. I guess the best one I could talk about here. Okay, right here. Boom. It already hit
This
its
shit right here.
50%.
This shit right here.
Yeah, because the
This
it's
just
not
have to
just
keep
ran
going
this.
mad low.
We just ran this low.
Yo, where's the best inverted fair? I mean, it's a fair value gap, but it's not an inverted though.
Who's on the 15?
Yeah, I'm on the 1 hour chart.
You on the 1 hour?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. You know what? Yeah. This go. It's not necessarily that, but I wanted to be specifically that.
Yeah, this is a 4-hour too. This low one's a 4-hour too. So even if this does
Okay, there
close
we go.
bearish, and I could possibly watch this at 10
You
o'clock.
get your fair
This
value
one
gap.
still isn't too bad. It's just like Kyle said, it's just mad low. That's my only issue with it. It's
Okay.
just low. But if we close bearish, I would trust it a lot more.
Okay, look, you get your fair
Close with a
value
wick.
gap right here.
It really sucks, bro. I really got stopped out last night just for it to sell. Like it stopped me
This
out
fair
in
value gap
reverse
inverted.
and sold out for
This-
the rest of the night.
Yeah, this fair value gap, it pretty much was on Wednesday. Inverted that. You can use the 50%. You can enter on the 50%. Oh yeah, not only that, boom, gave you an order block. Which respected that order block. Gave you a high, lower high, higher high.
That shit is
Low,
going
low.
on before it's
Yeah, then you go straight down with it. Well, I should take profit.
I'll just go ahead and buy early. Fuck it. I'm feeling it.
I
Mr.
feel it
Krabs.
too. I just don't got a reason. So I'd rather wait for a retracement. And then if the retracement isn't a real retracement, I'll
just
see
gonna
how it
assume
plays.
This is going to be a higher low that we made. Reasonings. We had the first presented fair value gap. We've already tested it. We just used this wick right here. Ran that low. I already had that marked up. The fact that we had this CRT little move, ran the low of this, closed bullish right here.
Oh, you had the actual retracement on the 15. I was looking at 30. Like these two look the same.
Oh, you
just
been looking at 30 this whole time, nigga? I was talking about this.
Oh,
like
no,
both
something
these had this
yeah,
15-minute
So,
retracement.
do this. Let's go. I want, yeah, fuck it.
Let's
I just
see
wanna
what
see
they
this shit
do.
go higher. I don't even want shorts anymore.
The first trade was the false break move to the 15-minute gap.
I will say though, I'm not a big fan of this
Yeah.
price leg. It is a bullish look, but it just looks weird.
Oh, okay, yeah, I could use 15 minutes, but I want to
Yeah,
use the
we
1
can see
hour.
how this 15-minute candlestick closed.
So I might just have to be out like around here. So select.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for something. If anything.
Oh, also, I could have
Oh,
answered
just like
2
the time
times.
window we're in.
Okay.
This is a
What?
very
Yes,
aggressive
I could have
trade,
answered
though.
it
I
2
will say,
times. They said
very
4.
aggressive.
That don't sound bad. That sounds good.
He said, sounds good.
Yeah, because I see a 15-minute inversion, but you have to get in and out. You have to take profit from the low, local low.
Did you place a trade already, Drake?
Damn, yeah, it ain't closed that shit by 10 points. That's nasty. I wonder what the prerogative behind that is.
Not sure. Not sure. Still waiting to find out too.
I did not realize. The volume kicked the fuck
And
in.
back down we go.
Alright, yeah. Fuck it. Believe it.
Yeah, if we close bears, I said I'll watch shorts, but I need to see what happens in 2 minutes. Too much could happen in that time. Honestly, on either
I
one
didn't
too,
realize
because
how
both of them are a
much.
1 hour and a 4 hour.
Yeah, 2 more minutes to the 1 hour.
I didn't realize that volume, how volatile it was. Nigga, that move was so small, but it took a lot more than I thought.
Nah, yeah, everything I'm using has a 100-point stop. Like 50 didn't look like nothing.
Yeah, I should have
Like a 100-point stop don't even give me a stop loss above my wick. No cap.
Damn, I just lost 300 that quick. I should have calculated that. That was me.
We got 2 minutes. So let's see. Just close bearish, man. Close bearish. Cause if you close bearish, I won't expect a big ass flip. But we'll see. Nas is dropping more. Nas is dropping all the way. We'll see. Retracement at 10 o'clock into the imbalance is what I'm willing to take if that is what presents itself. But we'll see.
Nice.
And then the other low would not just be that one. Yeah, I'm giving it a minute, see how we close. I think we'll close bearish on Nas. I think Nas looks the best in terms of that 10 o'clock retracement, but I like how much room we have lower on 30. But 30 is looking like it's a little more dojied.
Yo, what a faggot.
What do you do?
Bro, he wouldn't let me over just to get in the lane that I was in. In the lane that, mind you, I was trying to get out that lane.
That shit, boy, that shit be pissing me off, dog. Especially if it's like light traffic. Bro, y'all some hoes, folks.
Weird ass, like he's a faggot. I'm not wrong for that, right? Like,
could have just simply just switched sides, bro. You seen me getting over, bro.
bro, earlier it was this undercover cop. I got out the car. I'm like, mama, I'm talking to myself. The whole time his bitch getting out the car at the same time. And his window wide the fuck down. I get out the car like, oh, these niggas think the whole fucking world just revolve around them. And then we lock eyes in the mirror.
Retracement on Nas. Let's see if I can get this.
Bro, because he was driving stupid fucking slow, had me looking crazy in the middle of the intersection. I had to honk at him.
Yeah, I'm gonna get 100 points short here on Nas with the retracement. If this just flies up straight with 10, I'll take my L. But I like how we had a fast ass retracement going into 10 o'clock into this imbalance. 1 hour and 4 hour. This is my first trade. Let's see. See what we can do. Shit, could bamboozle us both, bro. But I'm betting that since it's 10, we just got a fast retracement into this. I like it for it. It's my original idea, but I was just watching and being patient and let it do its thing earlier.
My ass also should have broke even a lot sooner to avoid that.
I think it should be chilling. It should be a chilling trade, but stranger things have happened.
Nah, we'll see. First trade of the day. See what we can do. It looks good though, but you never know. It looks good until it doesn't.
He should.
Diddy Brown.
Baby girl.
Why you have to react?
You just read it. Nah, we have a good reaction so far. I like the way it looks, but I need a full TP. Full TP me. Full TP me or don't give me nothing. Matter of fact, or nah, I'm cool with TP1 too. Never mind. I'm cool with anything. Don't mind what I'm saying.
What funny is it? Yes, since TP1 means break even, huh?
Yeah, I'll take that. You know what I'm saying? But I got a 100-point stop. Like, for me to be wrong, this has to go completely up.
Yeah.
But only time will tell. You never know. I don't get my hopes up. But if I can win this trade, I won't trade tomorrow on that count because I'm risking a little penny on it. I'm about to go get water.
Oh, I forgot this is first, second time or the third time. It really be the third time.
You can open those mods if you want to. I said you can open them.
Can I get a hell yeah?
Yeah, just now forgotten. Now just being reminded of that.
Okay, yeah, I usually be in the back cave. So.
Hey, what was your bias on the logs?
For me,
I never want longs.
Yeah, what's up about KO?
I do like longs, but I feel like if it were to go long, it has to go literally from like right here. Like it can't go anywhere.
Oh, okay. The order butt on the one now for
It would have to go from here.
The third turn's the fourth turn now. Yeah, just getting.
I gotta get some food, bro. I'm hungry in the bitch.
For the fourth time, so this could be a continuation.
You don't need food. You need push-ups.
Okay,
If
bro.
anything,
I'm
I
about to
would
do me
assume
some
maybe a
push-up.
scout to the highs up here just to get back into a premium before selling off.
Yeah, I'm about to do some push-ups. You know what I'm saying? You know, maybe give me some good luck.
Hey, Spider-Man come out next week. I'll see y'all in the theater.
Spider-Man.
At this point, Cal, we see Spider-Man. Fuck Odyssey.
Bro, the Odyssey good though. Go watch both.
Nigga, yeah, you always settling. You gotta see both.
Nah,
nigga.
I ain't gonna lie. I think I like Spider-Man over Odyssey.
Odyssey gonna be a better movie though, fans.
No, I'm not gonna lie. Hell,
I'm gonna keep it a beam with you, bro. You're a dickhead. Disney has been fucking up for years now.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Tom Holland Spider-Man is probably my favorite Spider-Mans ever. And I like all the Spider-Mans.
What?
Favorite ever is
I like
crazy.
all of them, but I ain't gonna lie. I like the new ones better than the original.
I ain't gonna lie.
More
Tobey
cool, but-
Maguire's Spider-Man is definitely the
Dre,
best.
I ain't gonna lie.
It was good. It was good.
I won't
Two
judge. I won't judge you for your take, but hey, I mean
That
that's your
was
take,
crazy.
bro.
Oh no, fuck that.
Nah,
That was
the new
crazy.
Spider-Mans have. I like them way better than the other
The
ones.
first
Those
new
are cool,
Spider-Man, let's be honest, bro. Homecoming was kind of mid.
No, Homecoming was dope.
I'll say, think of it
Homecoming
like
was
this:
mid.
numbers don't lie. They ain't gonna make all these Spider-Mans with that nigga if it ain't
Numbers
him.
definitely fucking lie. Look at Drake.
No, they don't.
Okay, come
That's
on, bro.
Shit,
Drake
what
is
you
still top
mean?
of the
Drake
game.
is the GOAT.
Yeah, you lost.
The last album he dropped was good. The last three he dropped was good.
We'll try to
Nigga, he's been out for like 15 years. Find me
That's
someone
a
that's dropping
question,
albums that are
man.
good after 15 years.
Was it
Never
good or
disrespect
bad?
Honestly, I
disrespecting
still
again
listen
in
to
a
some of the
second.
songs. But I mean, It's really
Or
up
if
to you.
anything, we can always just pick something up.
But yeah, name me one artist that's been
It was
around for
definitely
15,
good, bro.
20 years that's still dropping.
His
That
last
you
3
listen to.
albums was good.
Nigga. Kanye. Thank you.
Nigga, Kanye. Kanye
They
does
not
not
better
drop
than
like
Drake
Drake.
right now. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh,
Kanye
Kanye
not
don't
better than
drop like
Drake right
Drake
now.
either.
Kanye just dropped last year.
He not
And I
better than
hear it.
Drake
But you
right
don't know
now.
it though. Nobody knows his album.
Exactly.
Matter. He's making better music. What was the?
Nah,
They're losing the
like you
plot
said,
though. What
the
was the
numbers
top of
don't
this
lie.
conversation? The
If
numbers
it's better,
lie. No, the
it's
numbers
better.
lie. You lost the plot. The whole point was that the numbers lie.
Numbers don't lie.
lie, bro.
They do lie.
They don't lie.
They lie all the fucking time.
Oh, yeah,
Numbers don't have emotions, bro.
Coping,
Numbers
y'all.
don't
He
lie.
coping. Let him
Nigga,
go.
no.
That's the one
If a
thing that
number-
can't lie. The numbers don't lie, bro.
Numbers
Listen, we all know
don't
Drake.
lie, bro.
That says
They got
enough.
no
We all
emotion.
know and listen to Drake.
It was putting all them COVID tests out, and they was telling y'all how many niggas was sick. They was lying.
They lied, not the numbers. They lied.
Numbers are what you were reading, nigga, and the numbers were not true.
Hey, we weren't reading the numbers. We were listening to them. I didn't have
Oh,
the
bro,
stats.
those are the numbers you were given.
I ain't gonna lie. My favorite Spider-Man is
But
Tobey
if that's the case,
Maguire.
then who's saying Kanye's better than anyone else?
Here's
But-
the thing
lying.
about numbers, right? If
My
you don't
fa-
have context behind the numbers, you don't have context behind
Because if
the
that's the
numbers.
case,
That's
Kanye
where
a
it can get
billionaire.
misconstrued
I can
and
buy as many views as I want.
misinformed. That's
If
what
numbers-
I'm talking about.
if numbers
Other than
lie-
that, like,
If numbers
Okay, that's
lie,
exactly
my
what
bank
Drake
account is the
does.
same case.
numbers.
Yeah, but if that's the case, if Drake's doing it, Kanye definitely doing it, nigga.
Everybody
Uh,
talking.
If that's the
Bro,
case,
Kanye's numbers don't be looking like Drake's numbers.
Everybody talking about numbers, but not push-ups.
How many?
real shit.
Yeah, what's the number of push-ups?
That was good. That was good. That was good. That was a good one. That was a
That,
good one.
you smooth on that. I
That
don't
was
got enough
smooth.
space in my
I'm
car
gonna
to
get
do
some just
push-ups.
because of that. That was good.
Let me turn my camera on. I got you.
Nah, Junior, you can
Shit,
do
I'm with
push-ups
your
in the
ass,
car.
Cal.
You see how quick niggas got ready to die on the stand for Drake? I brought Drake name up. Niggas got so defensive.
but that should say enough. That should say enough.
So disappointing. I think it says something else to me. That's all I'm saying, bro. Don't say what you think it's saying to me.
That's a lot, bro. You say Kanye, nobody cared.
Exactly.
And you the same nigga that was talking about emotions earlier. It sound like you got something against Kanye.
I don't. I love
just don't like Drake more.
Yeah, I just like Drake more.
Like, y'all never answered the question though. Were those last 3 albums good or bad?
I mean, I said I still listen to it, but it's all perspective.
It's not, but that's not. It was a yes or no question.
They were good. They were
I
good.
like it.
They were good.
He's saying I like it, but she should agree with.
Right.
You're not even convincing yourself.
Nah, that's a fair point, Dre. That's fair.
Me and Kino literally listen to Drake together. Me and Kino literally listen to Drake together. We'll put the song on, and then we'll both start moving out.
And start crying and shit.
We ain't get Kanye.
What song with Drake though?
No. Kanye song on.
Nah, the point was that
Don't hate Kanye.
And I ain't gonna lie, didn't Kanye just make a hell of a song anyway? Now by the fry Kanye just cause.
To what extent?
He gets fried every day of his life, man. That's what
Yeah.
happens. That's why his
To what
numbers
extent?
aren't not like he buys streams. Nigga, he's in the middle of a lawsuit for that shit.
I mean, whether or not he buys streams doesn't make.
I only say that to go to say that numbers do lie sometimes.
Alright, they do.
I'm
Alright, you
saying
got it.
that is the case though. That would be so for everyone. They could say, "Oh, Kanye, don't go." You know what I'm saying?
I brought up the Kanye situation to say that he makes better music than Drake, but his numbers aren't as big.
I'll say better.
I'm gonna say what thing was saying.
The labels can buy streams. The labels can buy views for the rappers. So
The context behind the number do make sense. It's a lie. What Dicey said, the context behind the number. Because you could say, you know, he make $1 million per trade. I think he's lying.
all I know is that
I think what you're saying, math doesn't
all I know is that
I can
people's
agree with
grandmas
that.
fuck with Drake.
Math don't be lying.
People's moms fuck with Drake. My dad fuck with Drake. My brothers fuck with Drake.
We're not really talking about Drake. We're talking about their
Everybody
numbers.
fuck with
It
Kanye.
wasn't necessarily about Drake, though.
Not
It was
really
about
about Drake.
numbers.
I get what you're saying, Cameron. The numbers can lie if the context behind the numbers. Because you can't say you make $1 million
I
per
feel
trade.
like the number, what you were talking about earlier with math, though, the math don't be lying. Like, when you actually take the time to add things up and subtract things, that's what won't be lying. You get what I'm saying?
Honestly,
Like,
numbers
math
can't
don't-
lie if you because you're the one who gives numbers purpose.
Right, the context behind it.
You give it purpose. But in this situation, I think it was a bad example. Because everyone knows Drake, nigga.
Yeah,
but
but
Drake
Drake
don't.
not
Nigga,
really.
just because you like Drake don't mean his streams is fake. Nigga, like what?
Listen, you play Drake in a club,
Just because you like Drake,
radio. We
don't
know
mean his numbers is accurate though.
It ain't even about that though. Like Drake is
You just told me that was a bad example.
Drake is top 10, top 20 of the greatest rappers ever, the greatest artists
You
ever.
don't write his music though, so how could you put him in that conversation?
Ah, man, we not going around this road, bro. It's not even worth arguing. Drake is great.
He'll be top 10 regardless.
Did write his music. What if not writing his music is one of the few things that keep people around past 15 years?
Nigga, we're talking. You just said that makes him one of the top 10, 20 greatest artists. You're losing the plot though. The point was him being one of the greatest artists ever. How are you one of the greatest artists ever if you're not the one creating the art? You're delivering the art. That's different.
Music.
He's still using his voice regardless. He's still using his voice.
You're delivering the art. You're not creating the art.
I would say you're still creating it. You're creating the vocals.
If you want to really break down music, bro, it's all type of factors to this shit. It's the writing portion of it, it's the singing portion of it, it's the rapping portion of it, it's the industry portion of it, it's the engineers, it's all of that. All the niggas singing, nobody Drake, nobody care about that. It don't matter if G Herbo wrote that also. If I rap it better than G Herbo, nigga, I did better than G Herbo. Who gives a fuck about that?
The point I'm trying to make is
Nobody cares who built the house. They only care about just stay in it.
I feel like that's. I feel like
I care who built the house. Nobody cares who built the house.
I feel like that's a punch to somebody's career.
Anyway, y'all get back in that field then.
At one point in time, Drake was the biggest nigga in the world. No numbers, no faking, no none of that. That's a fact. The biggest nigga in the world.
I mean,
And you got to think about who put him on.
Drake had you in the shower singing, I just want to be successful, don't cap.
But also think about who put Drake on. Everybody forget about that. Who put Drake on?
what does that have to do with what we're talking about?
Nah, because you said, oh, he didn't write the song. He didn't write the song.
I said exactly. I said all of that
people
plays
bring
into
the
whether
numbers.
he's become the greatest or not.
I mean, like I said, nobody cares about the nigga who.
I think it's shifted because people don't care anymore. They
But
might
nobody,
care.
look, think about the nigga who made your computer and built your computer or your car. You don't give a fuck about that. You care about the motherfucker.
Singers haven't been writing their music for a long
I'm the nigga who gives a fuck who built my house.
We don't discredit the singers. We don't talk shit about the singers. They've been doing that shit for forever.
I say the same shit about that.
Man, hell no, you can't say the same shit about them. Their voice is crazy. That's a
Michael
disrespect.
Jackson was writing his bars, bro.
It don't matter. It don't matter if people was writing for Michael Jackson. Listen, bro. It don't matter if people was writing for Michael Jackson. It's Michael fucking Jackson.
root for Michael Jackson. A lot of
God,
people.
you can write a
Because also the reality of it too, like us from a consumer standpoint, we think artists. Nigga, artist is a business. Artist is 20 people, 50 people. Artist is the face of your LLC. It's basically an LLC. Like making it. It's teamwork. That's what it is. I mean, this is what it is. Now, if you're saying who is the best songwriter,
Bro, this generation is fucked, bro. There's so many different kinds of all different kinds of things, bro.
that's why it comes back to person.
Yeah, it's still fun. Nigga, you in it too.
How is it fucked, bro?
Retro, watch out.
You say the
Bro,
generation.
you got three different kinds of artists, bro. You got an artist who really make art, you got an artist that's a business, and then you got an artist who's probably doing something else.
No, music is a business. Yeah, nigga, music is already just a business.
Alright, but music is still a form of art, so let's talk about it.
Okay.
Everybody has their own ability to look a person up, search a person up. If you don't want to listen to that person or support that person, you have the ability to. There's millions of other people that do support that person and want to support that nigga.
Not the go continue to write the song.
It ain't nothing wrong with it.
Damn, who wrote that song, nigga?
Usually I feed him around 11.
You don't give a fuck who wrote the song.
You care concerned about the song that you want to know who wrote the song, and if a nigga didn't write the song, if Kanye didn't write the song,
Some of the biggest artists that you probably like have got wrote for it, bro. That's part of the game, bro.
that's all the shit, nigga. Look, if you didn't listen to music that wasn't wrote by, if you look, if you look. if you take, if you take all the songs off your playlist, like that wasn't written by the artist, then like you know what I'm saying? How many songs on your playlist you think?
I bet y'all really gonna go look at the details of songs, bro. Go look at the names and have the songs.
People right?
Don't even go look
City
at the
Girls, Lil Yachty right from Future wrote Drunk in Love for
That's what I'm
Beyonce.
saying, bro. If you really go look at the credentials to some of these songs, you will see that
Sometimes
some of your
you
favorite
ain't got a
artists
voice.
matter. They don't matter.
You ain't smart enough to pick the lyrics. And that's cool.
Look at the credentials all the time.
That's your own talents. You got your own talents.
It's times that niggas been in the studio and I gave my homeboy a full 6. That don't mean he ain't finished the song. That don't mean he ain't played the song.
Bro, niggas get credit just for also being in the studio. It's different.
I'll say yeah, Drake.
If you're a writer, you get credit for being a writer.
Being a homie, bro, just so you can get a pay. That's real. Like
You're not even looking at the credits, looking at who is writing the songs. Go follow them.
I do shit. Nigga, I got the G.
Show them that support, goddamn. Oh God, you care that much, show them that support. You wrote your song.
That boy is following the road runner.
But it even comes down to another thing too, because remember, okay, here's a good example. Remember the song that I showed you guys? Remember I showed you guys the song that Drake and Lil Yachty like kind of took, right? The thing is, if they never would have took it, we probably never would have heard that shit.
But they remixed the song with still hard.
It generally sucks. But the reality of it, they took it and they pushed it to a place that he couldn't. Which
The
sucks,
remix
but
is
I
hard
mean,
though. This song was hard too, and the remix
both
was
were
hard.
hard.
They changed it up and up. He used the same.
but it's just like one of those things where it's like, is he taking what he has, which is leverage, see what people like, and he can put it in a mass thing. It's like basically like imagine content, right? You find someone that has a small audience that made a video, went crazy. You have a big audience, so you're just like, okay, I'm gonna try to recreate this video, and you get 1 million views. 10 times what he got, so it seems like
people writing Drake's rap music before Drake was a singer. Were people writing his rap music?
who knows?
It's been writers since the day. That's like trading and like indicators and shit like that. Just because you got an indicator mean that you're not a real trader. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because it's helping you.
I'm pretty sure it was niggas, bro.
Like in this
He
beginning,
was working with niggas like the weekend and shit, bro. Like on Take Care. Like what you talking about before Take Care?
yeah, before I'm talking about the comeback season. I'm a real Drake fan.
Hold on. I got a question for you. If Drake says he made $10 million, right, and he's sitting here saying, "Nah, I made every single penny of this money," and then we find out that Kino took all them fucking trades, is Drake still the best fucking trader?
Thank you. Now, that's a great analogy.
But I would say
That's not even it, because being an artist,
Yeah,
art isn't paid for it.
But see, that goes to general.
But that's exactly what Drake is doing in a sense right now. What he's saying.
If Drake comes out tomorrow and says, "I'm taking the whole fucking time," you can't take that shit seriously.
Like I said, nigga, what the fuck the fuck?
You're gonna buy Drake music because it's Drake.
Oh yeah, I think it's also a level, like I said, it's awareness. People aren't dumb. Like we know it's not just Drake. It'll be one thing if we were completely oblivious, but I feel like people are aware.
So people,
Nobody
cares. Nobody cares. Nobody finna go to the new Drake album. Nobody finna go to the new. Hello. Nobody finna go to one song off the 3 albums. Bruh. Nobody finna go to a Drake album, a Future album, no artist play a song, and before they actually decide if they fuck with the song or like the song, see who wrote the song.
Bro, when
like,
Drake was rapping, he did not have.
You want to know how we can really end the argument? Think about how many AI songs that we listen to right now that aren't even.
Majority of his career has been like that.
This is when it comes down to percentages, because it's probably like 80-20 right now. 80% of us don't care. 20% of you do. And then at some point, 90, 100.
If you care that much, the music. I ain't gonna lie. If you care that much, I feel like you worry about the wrong thing, bro.
Listen, bro. In the beginning, Drake was a lyricist, bro. So in the beginning, Drake was a lyricist, bro. So he was making all his music, and he blew up off of his own music, not motherfuckers writing for him. So when he blew up, Lil Wayne. Well, no, he did not, bro. He was a real rapper. He did not, bro. Y'all niggas don't even know about comeback season.
Hold on. Look, gang, this is not Let It Shine, nigga. That nigga Drake ain't steal the lyrics and then go take the nigga bitch or something. This is not Let It Shine, nigga. This nigga took the lyrics and gave credit. Nigga, Let It Shine. That nigga took that nigga partner lyrics and took the nigga bitch and everything, nigga. This ain't that, nigga.
Giving credit to Quinn Miller.
He takes
nigga, the nigga always had his little BlackBerry going.
Don't run away. Don't run away.
Nah, that was a great song.
Y'all forget this nigga was an actor first, bro. Y'all don't even know the shows the nigga was on.
He was in
Y'all too young to even talk. Yes, you know what I'm
He was
saying?
in
That nigga was
Degrassi,
an
bro.
actor.
I know what's going on.
I'm not too
That
young to
nigga
talk
was
this shit.
his
I
act,
hated
bro.
this nigga since
And
the
then,
grass.
T, what did he start doing after that? What did he start doing after rap? What did he start doing?
Having
Was he
niggas write
singing
his
or rapping?
songs. Like, no, I'm playing.
Was he singing or rapping?
Nah, Jenna, you dead right. You dead right, Jenna. You smart having niggas
I'll
write
say
his
the
shit.
thing is too, because we got to keep in mind, because I know some said Lil Wayne. The difference is, yeah, Drake might have shit getting done for him, but that's also the reason he's still fucking here and relevant. Unfortunately,
But he's not relevant.
Yes, so look,
Yeah,
see,
he's
that's
not
where you
that
got wrong.
relevant.
No, I just
See,
think
that's
he
where you
ended
got
up being
wrong.
a better
That's hate.
businessman.
That's
It's just, this is what it comes back to the percentages, bro.
Who
It's
said-
80/20.
Who said Drake ain't relevant? Oh
The
God, Drake more relevant than your favorite
argument
rapper.
gotta be over.
Oh God, Drake more relevant.
ain't
Hey,
relevant, bro.
Drake more relevant than your top
We're
three.
talking about
Hey,
Lil
look,
Wayne. I don't
Drake.
think Lil
He's not
Wayne's more
relevant in my
relevant.
age
Drake
right
is
now.
more
shit
relevant than your
biased,
top
bruh.
three favorite artists
This
that you
shit
listen to in
biased,
the month,
bruh.
nigga. Oh,
Okay, so
God.
how the fuck is Drake more relevant than Kendrick
So
Lamar?
whoever said,
Lil
like, I ain't gonna
Wayne,
lie,
and
and I'm not even a huge Drake fan, but like,
You
we
like?
gotta
Do you like
stop
Kendrick
saying
Lamar?
dumb shit.
Apex? You like
30
Kendrick
You gotta stop
Lamar?
saying stupid shit.
I'm
Yes,
honest
I'm a
with
big
you.
ass Kendrick Lamar fan.
To anybody
Makes
under
sense.
25
It
years
makes sense.
old.
I understand, bro. I understand. I understand that.
Like, we gotta stop
So-
saying retarded shit, bro.
I cannot
Like,
co-sign fake
What's retarded is to
bullshit.
say that nigga's the best nigga in
Listen,
the world.
you
I never
might not
said,
be able
nigga, I
to.
never said
but
Drake
we
was the
can.
best. But the fact that somebody said that
Glaze
nigga
him
isn't
like he
relevant
is.
is retarded.
So
Nah,
retarded
bro, I
is to
feel
sit
like
there
you
and say
did
numbers
say
don't
Drake
lie.
was the
That's
best.
so
I feel like you
No,
definitely
somebody
said that at
said
some
no.
point.
Somebody
Wait,
said Drake was once the best
Nah,
in the
nah,
world
nah,
at a
nah.
point in time.
Nah,
That's exactly
I
what
heard some
somebody
real
said.
Drake poems
we're not
going
just
on,
arguing
bro.
about other niggas, bro. We could be doing push-ups, bro.
You know what? Oh God, come on, hit the push-ups, nigga. Why we arguing about
I feel
another
like
nigga?
that
and
nigga
how
not
to make
even
his
pushing
money?
up.
This a
Oh, that
biased
nigga getting on my
conversation.
nerves.
Shut up.
Hey,
It's
Some
biased.
push-ups,
for every
More push-ups,
look,
more
for every
push-ups.
new debate. No, look for new
Nigga, fuck
Hey,
outta
for
here,
when we
man.
had debates,
Shut
bro.
up,
When
man.
they
talk about
push-ups.
Look,
Hey, for when we had debates, the new submission need to be push-ups. You
Really
gotta
gotta think about it, though.
push-ups.
We
Every
arguing.
debate is push-ups, bro.
Yeah, oh God, 50 push-ups to get your point across.
You're not even thinking about us right now. They fucking bitches. We talking
We
about them.
debating over niggas that don't like Drake. That's a biased conversation already, gang. What is we arguing about?
Yeah,
They don't
y'all
like
are
Drake.
Drake blazers. So there's a biased conversation.
You gotta
Like, what are we
y'all
Y'all need to give me this type of conviction on the trade. Give me this conviction on the trade.
As soon as the nigga said Drake ain't relevant, I knew niggas was
conviction on
bogus.
the trade.
I can say the same
I'm
about
niggas
you
is
from being a Drake
I mean,
fan.
God damn, one at a
Three
fucking
albums.
time. Now, all right, now we just getting muted. Now we one at a time. Y'all don't have like, what's the word? Common awareness. Yeah, y'all don't got it.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. It's like a Call of Duty lobby right now. Y'all can argue.
Y'all
I
motherfuckers.
mean, it is like 80 of us in this bitch.
Hey, everybody
so,
gonna be talking at the same time.
Hey, like I said, bro. Look,
You would
new
think like you
submissions-
hear everyone talking, you're like, let me be quiet so someone else. No, you just keep. Everyone just keep going.
Nah.
Everyone just
Look,
keep going.
because there's multiple conversations happening at one time.
Like I
Niggas
said,
is
bro,
No
like-
new
awareness.
new
Zero awareness.
submissions. New submissions to for debates, 50 push-ups, bro.
Wow.
We gonna get
Yeah, I
booked
hope everyone that was
debating
saying
every
something
day.
hit some push-ups, cause I just did.
See,
So
look,
I hope
niggas
you
ain't
did.
even getting their point across no more. Everybody thoughts got cooked.
Because the thing is, there is no point. It's some of you like Drake, some of us don't, but it's just it's like 80% 20 right now. A lot of us
Now
on the same
look,
side, some of us aren't.
I don't like
what it is.
debating with biased niggas, bro. Like I can have a conversation and not be biased.
To be
Like,
having a debate
we gotta put
about
all
another man
biasness
who's
aside. Like somebody said, this nigga
in
Drake
his own
ain't
right
a
successful
fucking-
in the shit that he does is diabolical anyway.
But you said Drake was what?
Talking about
Somebody
this
said
nigga.
Drake wasn't like lit right now or some shit like that. Like
That would be
he
cap.
really-
That would be cap to say. I ain't gonna lie.
But
and
The
then,
fact
like,
is-
why niggas hating on Drake? Like these niggas just did he just gets?
Is
niggas
it
think
hating to
Streamer
just?
you?
Is it
Streamer-
hating to say his albums were bad when they were bad, bro? Like, is that really hating?
I would say,
Like,
but
oh,
bad
that's
is
not hating.
perspective. That's
That's
where it's
not-
It
no,
is
that's not hating.
perspective.
It's not
I mean, as
perspective.
bad as you might think it is, it
Because
is
the
what
thing
it
is,
is.
everyone might hate me for this. I like Drake's newer stuff better than his old stuff. Am I wrong for that? It's my fucking opinion.
yes, you're dead fucking wrong for that.
And that's where we got it wrong. That's where the
You're
disconnect is.
dead fucking
Jenner's
wrong
just
for
trying to
that.
force opinion
doing
the
this
music
act live.
critics are saying his albums are bad though. They
And I
bad.
think y'all niggas be rage baiting. Y'all niggas good. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all
I'm
good.
saying
with
y'all
rage
niggas
baiting.
good. From a point of critics though, the critics are saying that his albums are bad. You know what I'm saying? The critics are saying that.
But they ain't me,
Nigga, critics not even real. Them niggas regular people.
It's like food critics. I don't care
Who the
about
fuck
food
listen
critics.
to a critic? This nigga ain't no
retarded sometimes.
Nigga, they ain't
I
got
got
no
my own
professional
opinion.
decision.
I got my own opinion.
Yeah.
You let niggas control your
At the end of the
thoughts.
day, this is a very subjective
That's what it
conversation
sound like.
because everybody
critics,
has their own perspective.
Nigga don't give a fuck about no critic nowadays. Them
That's what I'm
niggas ain't
saying.
shit. Them
Y'all
niggas ain't
let-
nobody. Them niggas
I
just
like
sit at the
Jay-Z.
computer at the crib, nigga.
I think Jay-Z is the illest nigga alive.
Look,
So
look.
what
You
the
know what he
fuck?
said? You know what he said? He
What
said
you
Andre is
said?
right.
But
Look, this is what he said. He said
I
Andre
think
is right.
Jay-Z the illest nigga alive.
But it's all perspective.
You entitled
About
to
a
your
critic. I ain't heard about no critic since fucking early YouTube days. Goddamn. I ain't give a fuck about
I'll
them
say
niggas.
like you can't say someone's bad or not because like
What the
someone likes
fuck is wrong
Kanye.
with
But
you?
think about it
You're
like
a
this.
critic, nigga. What the
Jay-Z not
fuck?
your
Like,
What's
think about it
wrong
like
with you
this, Gunner,
niggas?
too.
What is
Because
wrong
you
with
guys
you
can say
niggas?
like you like Kanye, but then to the person that heard his Hitler song is gonna completely hate him.
Everybody
They're
got
gonna
their
throw
own
away
opinion
everything
about
that he actually
everybody,
did.
bro. It
Yeah,
doesn't matter. It don't matter,
The
nigga.
only
You
reason
like
I was
Drake,
saying a
other
nigga
niggas
like
don't like Drake.
Kanye,
Who the fuck
I wasn't
cares?
even saying it like that, Dre. The reason I would say Kanye is a better artist than Drake is because Kanye can make everything on the beat down to the instrumentals and all of that.
Kanye is a better.
what we know of.
Kanye is a better.
Well,
Kanye
he
is a better
produces his own
musician.
shit.
Kanye is a better
yeah.
artist. He does.
All the
Kanye's
way
been
around,
that nigga.
yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
Kanye's
Kanye's been
The
that
way
nigga.
I also look at it, I feel
He's
like
an
this is
artist,
very.
bro.
I feel like this wouldn't be true. If someone were to offer Drake money to try to write for them, y'all don't think he still would? I think he still would.
That's what I
think he
said
still
in the
would.
beginning. That's what I was
So
trying
he's
to tell
probably
you.
writing for
would,
people
bro. I
and
think
little
he's
shit that we
getting
just
too
don't
much
even fucking know
money.
about.
That's
A
what
lot
I
of
was
people
telling
write
niggas.
for niggas.
Nah, there's
He's
some
wrote
people
for
like
niggas,
there is
Artists
no
write
enough
for
money.
niggas, bro.
There is
My
no enough
thing
money
is
for
though,
someone like
he's
him.
wrote for niggas.
He's trying to be
though.
a billionaire. He got to do everything in his power
He's
to
a
get there.
billionaire already, bro.
Nah, not
Why would you
liquid.
go to a motherfucker who don't write and ask him
Think
to
Nah,
he
write?
is, bro.
but
Nah,
Kanye
see,
is
nah,
a better.
nigga.
Nah,
Kanye is a
Drake.
better
nah,
artist. though.
he ain't no
I'm not
billionaire.
comparing
Bro, the
Kanye
nigga,
I
to
ain't gonna
Drake.
lie,
the
nigga.
nigga
After
is
making
getting
music,
money, bro. He's been
After making
getting a
music
million
lying.
show back when I was like 14, bro.
Those
look, after
numbers is
making
lying.
music for 20 years, nigga, I wouldn't even be trying to write all the time too, nigga. You got a million
Exactly. I'm
other
gonna
things
take
to
his
do.
advice. Being like, nah, don't write. That shit ain't work. I bet. Fuck
Like,
it.
nigga, nigga got a million things he can be doing. Nigga ain't gotta write every song. Cause guess what? They still gonna bounce that ass in that club when that shit come on, nigga. Where the fuck the function? They don't care who
Yeah,
wrote
nah,
that
Jenna, you
hoe.
right.
That
You
shit
right,
is
Jenna.
Where the fuck the function, nigga?
that's this nigga shit.
Nigga been getting
Right.
money, bro.
Just gotta remember, we all know if him and talking about him for a reason, bro. That says enough. Keep it a buck. It definitely does.
I mean,
It says enough.
this conversation right now, I bet somebody been playing to start streaming Drake ever
That
since
gun
we
gotta
get
be
this. What
new,
give this
you
nigga
know.
views? Nigga, people be
You gotta
arguing.
have
It's
It's
just
a
got
big
that
old.
gun.
So love him or
Yeah.
hate him, it's working.
Yeah, nigga. It's a pyramid scheme like a hoe,
Shit
nigga.
out of everybody, bro. You saying
Exactly.
Yeah,
that
let me
about
see the draw,
everybody.
bro. Let me see the draw. Somebody just ran up on you. Somebody just ran up on you.
You're dead.
He talking about you're dead.
Nigga hit him with
Nigga strapped up.
with a two.
My nigga strapped up just like the bike. They got that
Nah,
strap.
you gotta hit
on.
him with that. Straight
Gotta
just
keep practicing,
switch
bro.
on him.
Yeah, I respect it, bro. You gotta get in the front of the mirror, bro. You gotta see yourself doing it. It'll help you pick out what you're doing wrong and shit.
Man, what? Keep practicing.
I like to just do it at the range. I feel like
Do
dry
everything in
firing
the
is
mirror.
cool, but it's not the same. Dry firing is more trigger versus anything else. But it's like no recoil, no nothing. It's not the same. You all got gun
But you
smoke
gotta
up
I
your
just
nose.
practice quick drawing, not really the firing, because you can't.
Yeah, but I'll say it's good to do
Simulator.
both because like it's like trading. It's like back testing without the motions. You know, it helps, but it's just not the full thing. I like to be in the field.
That's why I want to go
Again,
outside. I want to go to like outside.
Yeah, put me outside. If I shoot the floor, who gonna be mad? You know what I'm saying? Worst case. But if I shoot the floor at the range, they gonna kick my ass out.
I need to get an FRT, man.
Yeah, I want to get one too. They've been having a lot of like the drop ones, the drop set ones.
So
I've
when
been
y'all
seeing.
buy y'all FRTs, make sure you get an H3 buffer to go with it.
I seen
Dang.
another one. This guy had like an automatic buffer, and that shit was crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah,
Hey, Twin,
shit was
I ain't
tough.
gonna lie to you, bro. I might be back trading Asia, bro.
Yeah, I took
Bad
my
luck.
trade yesterday around Asia.
Yeah,
And shit.
Asian London been cooking, bro.
I'm
He's
still in
been-
this damn trade. I'm at entry. I mean, I'm not mad that I'm still here, but like,
I took my
I'm
trade. I
still,
was
I'm
with
still in the
Bob
trade
last
too,
night.
man.
I was
like
smoking
it
with the
looks
little
good.
Bob.
Like, don't get me wrong, it's been trying to play out. It's just, not.
Timing, I guess.
Like we had a whole conversation. I'm in the same spot that I took it. It's been 30 minutes recording. Damn, I just recorded the whole conversation. I didn't even record a trade. I can stop recording. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna stop recording and start recording. So I'm getting in based off this 1 hour and 4 hour imbalance for the shorts on NAS. Yeah, now it's just like I took the trade again. I have a 30-minute Drake conversation, and then I'm gonna post that, getting more views.
I dropped the Bleezy,
bro. We've been arguing about niggas for 30 minutes, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, debating, all right? Watch your mouth.
Ain't no argument, bro.
Right, yeah.
Niggas in this on debates, nigga. You know they be nigga. They let niggas
It's an
talk.
open
nigga. They
air
don't argue,
debate.
nigga.
It was
Niggas don't
open
let
air
niggas talk.
debate.
And
You feel me?
niggas said
Hey,
We
I
ain't
said
mad at
debates,
each
they let
other.
niggas talk.
Oh God, nigga, debates, nigga, silence.
tripping, bro.
Fuck you
I
talking
hit your
about?
ass
Nigga,
with an
get they
objection.
protocol.
I ain't never seen a debate.
Oh God, nigga, objection, nigga. Oh,
Objection.
God.
I cut you right the fuck off, nigga. Objection. Yeah, what?
That's funny.
Y'all niggas sound passionate as hell.
We are some passionate niggas.
Niggas is passionate for Drake,
Hey.
my nigga.
But
The
what's
niggas
some
love
other
to
good prop
function,
firms
nigga.
though, bro? Other than
Yeah.
Top Step and Lucid, no
How you
intraday.
try?
though,
How you try to cheat? What's wrong with the main hoes? You know what I'm saying?
Oh no, nigga, you gotta max out all these firms, bro. So you get.
Look, bro,
I need a
you got one
20K
that
payout.
makes sense, bro.
Nah, Lucid and Top Step niggas cool. I'm trying to get that 20K payout on the live. That's what I'm getting at.
Our friends they about to sponsor my world tour. Lay 2, nigga.
That too
I'm
is
about to hit
cool.
more push-ups.
About to be on the fucking side of 2nd Street doing push-ups and shit. Niggas gonna be like, what is this? Look at them.
It's all good. You gonna blend in.
A bunch of white girls and colors out here, nigga. I'm not blending in.
Oh, for real?
You gonna be hitting push-ups, bro. You succeeded in life. You blend in.
Bro, you should have seen the coffee, bro. There's this one coffee shop down. I ain't even gonna get into it, bro. I ain't even gonna get into it.
Man, how they looking, bro? My boy says no, bro. Hold up. Hey, let me see something.
This
In
guy.
summer.
Get some push-ups, freak ass nigga.
Bro,
It's
That
snowing,
nigga
it's
ain't want
snowing
to
on them
debate.
push-ups.
Nigga ain't want to debate the numbers with us, but he want to talk
Real
about the
shit.
Swinton. Yeah, like yo.
She was talking about something valid, something we can learn something from. You know what I'm saying?
I'm
Ain't
not
wanna
snowing on
debate the
push-ups,
numbers with
nigga.
us.
I don't care about what Kanye West ate for breakfast and what girl Drake.
Or you say that you just went to a Kanye concert. You're probably the only person here that goes to the concerts. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
It's different. I'm
Keep it
coming
a
to enjoy the music.
Number one fan.
I'm not debating about who music is better and stuff. I like both.
Hey,
of them.
listen, we debate him for free. You paid him.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
I got
Shit,
you.
concerts fine though, bro. Ain't nothing to have a
I don't
good
like
time,
concerts
bro.
personally. I
Concerts
don't
are
know.
fine,
Like
man.
I don't know if I would do concert. I
When
would
I
have
went
to
to the
like.
Travis Scott
Dre,
show,
bro.
that
Say,
shit was
Dre, you never been in the mosh pit,
concert,
nigga?
wow.
You never been in no mosh
Nah,
pit.
don't put me in
I
the
would
mosh pit. 'Cause
never,
if you
I
start
would
wilding
never
up,
be in no
Dang.
mosh pit.
Oh,
Oh
Word.
my
Word.
god, gang.
Word.
I ain't gonna lie.
I
Okay,
ain't
my
look.
gonna
shoes,
Getting beat
I'm
up.
I
not.
bet. Now I'm
Big.
about
I
to
never-
fucking grab
I
your
never
ankles
do
and now
no
you're
I'm
on
not
the floor.
talking. Look, I'm not talking about like a roller
Maybe one
loud
that-
mosh pit, because like roller loud mosh pit, that shit gets crazy.
That
I'm not
shit
gonna
get
lie.
crazy.
TP1
I'm
just
talking
got
about like
smacked.
a
You up
venue,
100
like
points.
say you got
Me, I ain't even
one of them
know.
artists that come to the venue and them mosh pits
TP1
like them a little better, like Rolling Loud pits. Them hoes
Good,
be
looking good.
quote unquote miles deep, nigga. I ain't even getting in that shit. But
Fuck
like
Kanye
nigga,
come out. TP1, nigga.
all these push-ups
That's what I'm
nigga be
saying,
doing, be
TP1.
ready to elbow a nigga in the pit, nigga.
Just grab food like on the way to the park rather than just sit down. So I mean, if anything, there's this other.
Nah, the mosh pit though, that shit, I don't know, that ain't my type of vibe. You feel me?
Now it ain't something I recommend like every time going to the concert, but like
I
one
go
time.
to
then-
a ride before a mosh pit.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't never going to
Gonna
no
be a ride wave
nigga.
singing.
You gonna be hugging hoes in a ride wave concert. They ain't gonna
I'm like,
mosh.
damn,
They
I
gonna
gotta
be
go
crying,
home. I gotta go home.
nigga. Oh God, nigga, they gonna be in there crying and hugging each other
You
and
gonna want to
shit.
go home.
So hugging each other. That's how the concert I need to go to then.
Everybody
I
in
shouldn't
that
have
nigga.
did that.
I
Why
ain't
am I
going
so
to no
sad
ride
now?
wave.
I'm gonna want to
Feel
go
like I was
home
so
and-
happy. Why am I so sad now?
Oh God. You go to I don't go to a concert to cry. The fuck?
With a rose, nigga.
Nah,
So
yeah,
I'm
that's
gonna go to a
CP1
concert with the
official.
crowd, bro. What about the singers, man?
I'm gonna make your
But
day.
nah, I'm just
not crying out
making
of
jokes
joy.
because you know
I
how
shouldn't be
Rod
crying at
Wave
all. I
is
better be
at.
crying out of
Already
pure
know.
joy.
Been to a
Like,
weekend
damn, Rod
concert.
Wave,
I was
my
just,
nigga.
I was just making a point that nah, I wouldn't go to no mosh pit. I'd probably go to a ride wave before
Freaking
some
even.
shit like that.
I've been in the pit
Wait.
twice, nigga, and that shit was crazy, nigga. Like being in that hoe,
party concert on crutches in the mosh pit.
like nigga, you
Bad
can
John.
really.
All right, let's get
People
TP2
crazy.
when I'm out there.
If a nigga hit me, I'm gonna have to get up with bro.
So I'm saying,
Nigga,
I'm
on
not even
God,
trying to
look,
put myself in
nigga,
that
if a nigga
situation.
hit you in the pit, nigga, we do they ass bad, nigga. On God, nigga, that's the whole point, bro. And like, well, that's not just the whole point, but like, I mean,
Oh,
That's
that's
what I'm
not
like,
saying.
just that's the
obvious
whole
though.
point. Nah,
That's the
bro, we heard
obvious
you.
though.
That is the whole
This is
point.
why
Bro.
the
That's
YNs are going, huh?
Yeah, but bro, the
And
mosh
then,
pit niggas just don't be in that hoe just fighting. Like if a nigga like, like
That was the whole point.
Like niggas not in
this
that hoe
nigga
just
talking about
fighting
some
first.
Papa John's, man.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Like nigga,
My boy talking about some Papa John's,
My boy Kale's at that Papa John's.
making me hungry and shit, bro.
it's too early for all that. Well, it's not. Well, it's 10:30 where y'all at.
Specifically.
It's still early. Papa John's. I don't even
Nah,
like to
cause
eat
by
in
the
the
time
morning.
it's
I ain't
ready,
gonna
it'll be
lie.
11.
I'm just thinking,
I don't even like to eat in the morning.
That's still pretty early.
Me neither. I be fasting in the morning.
Yeah, give me some water, some push-ups.
I be
I'll
fasting
out
till
in a
like
couple
5
hours.
o'clock. I ain't gonna lie.
Get some water and some push-ups.
All you
Water
need, bro.
push-ups would be good.
You get your body active, get your shit nourished.
If you
with some
eat too
water,
early, I feel like you just get
good.
tired too. I hate that shit. You eat, you get tired. It's
Bro,
fucking
you know
12
what's
o'clock.
crazy? I ate yesterday early at Chick-fil-A and I had fell asleep, gang.
Told you.
Hell yeah, that's what that food do, especially if it's
I
too
told
heavy.
you enjoy
Chick-fil-A
it. You
heavy.
was hitting. You know what you was doing? You was asleep. I was in the gym. After all them push-ups, I went to the gym.
The thing is,
Straight
though,
cooking.
like, let's just say
And I
that
drink a Red Bull. Before I ate anything, I was up fucking Red Bull, push-ups, in the gym, off of just water.
like for us,
And then I didn't eat till nighttime, but I had a big ass meal. I got a lot done though.
to come into the property.
Did I?
Like they could drop it off.
Damn.
But
You know,
let 'em in.
at this point, maybe. I'm break even. If it did hit me, break even. Better not
I ain't got
though.
it, bro.
Shit's too
Today
damn
we
choppy.
got- I got some pasta. I'm saving my money today.
Yeah, I'll be out of here in a little bit. I'm going.
I'm about to cook this week. That's how I'm feeling.
I stay cooking, boy. I love that shit.
Weekend.
You thorough as shit,
Oh,
nigga. I ain't
right
even
back
gonna
up.
lie.
Oh,
Just smoked my
I be,
joint.
I be,
Break
I be
even,
on
but
TikTok like a
damn
motherfucker.
near.
trying to
Word,
find
this
out
nigga be
different shit.
cooking for real.
Yeah,
he be in the
bruh.
kitchen like, what do I want to whip up
What
today?
do I want to
bro?
make today? No
Yeah,
bullshit.
you different, nigga. What? Yo, I wish, bro. I be in
Hell
the kitchen
nah.
like, fuck this pen. Like,
Hell
yo,
nah. I be buying more pens just so I can have enough, man.
word, yo. I gotta get
Buying
like
more
that, bro.
pens.
I ain't gonna
Real
lie.
shit,
I'm gonna
bruh.
do that shit though, cause it was a point in time where I hated reading, so I know I can unhate this as well. I'm gonna get there.
Unhated. Yeah, I don't know.
He
I just
said,
gotta
"I
stop
hate
breaking even.
reading."
I don't know if I would want to take it again. It's still in the same spot. It's just mad choppy. Choppy. as fuck
I'll
for
be
no
with you,
reason.
Dre. I'm not gonna lie to you. Right now, that's that a key love I have for potential like reversals. Matter of fact, me, Kel was
Shit has
talking about
been there. This shit
No, me,
should
Kel
have
was
already gone.
Me personally,
Nothing going
I
on.
think Price is exhausted for the day.
Yeah, I'll say me and Kel was talking about it yesterday. We want Price to sell up to where it's at right now, but Price decided to buy up. And so
Ain't no loss. See, like I would live in one of these Jones. These Jones look super thorough, and they probably renovated as fuck on the inside, and it's a different kind of building. You get me? Like that shit probably not gonna go up in a
Hey.
tornado.
yeah, prices did LaQuise sweep. Like if you look to your
It
left
was-
side,
You know, I don't think they got
It was
tornadoes
just a
over there.
tornado in Ohio, nigga.
Bro,
It's
I was just about to
tornadoes
say
anywhere.
we just had a
It was just
tornado last
tornado
week,
in my
right?
right next to my
Tornado in
hood, bro.
Philly.
yeah, Drake, if you look to your
And
left
there was
side,
one in Cape
if
May
you
as
look to your
well.
left side, you're gonna see a LaQuise sweep that just happened, and then that's when the market's acting weird.
Bro, I got a
Maybe.
question.
Maybe.
It's clear Monday lows from last week, or not last week, but yeah, Monday lows, yeah, for this week, and that is reversing.
You said what, none loss?
I was like, do y'all realize, like, if y'all think about it, New York AM session is really late in the trading day, if that makes sense? Like, have y'all ever
think
thought
it is.
about that? Like, morning,
Oh well,
like,
yeah. Technically,
like,
yeah.
like it's technically like as far as like new trading day, new day open, New York AM
No,
is
yeah.
kind of like towards the
Technically,
end of the day.
it's technically
New
the
York
last
open is like
session.
after, yeah.
It's the last
Technically
session.
last session before it closes again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I like
Just
that
go
because you
to
get more
another-
price action to go off of. That's where
Nah,
I
it
look at
is. That's true.
Go to Vegas, bro, so you can wake up at 6 o'clock and trade.
Hell no.
Nah, trading in Vegas is.
In Vegas,
it's
I'll
actually-
probably be
honestly,
trading
it's
at
not
like
too
5
bad.
p.m. out there.
Like it is early.
Sharp.
It is my fault. It's my fault. Am I
That's
so
open,
nasty?
Asia demon. I gotta go to Tokyo or Asia, nigga. Or
That's where
whichever
prices
the
at.
one.
Prices
Hey, you're gonna be up in the middle of the
Tokyo
night. You're gonna be
right
waking up like it's London for New York session.
Yeah, I'm gonna be up, goddamn. I ain't tripping.
Yeah, I still like the shorts. It's just choppy, but it's doing the same thing. It hasn't done nothing different. It's been in the same spot since I took the trade. When was that? Damn near 45 minutes ago. In the same spot, just not going nowhere.
I want to go shopping with you.
But I'm still bearish on it. It's just a matter of actually dropping and not chopping. But everything is significantly more bearish than bullish. It's just a matter of, like I said, volume. But I'm about to get up out of here. I'll keep y'all updated on it. I gotta go drive somewhere. I wasn't trying to be on here till 11.
Niggas out just to go back down, bro.
Hopefully not.
That ass shit.
If the way it's been moving, I mean, it should chop and go back to entry. It's gone up and down like 5 times in the last 5 minutes. But I'm about to be up out of here.
Wait, Dre, you got
I'll
back
leave-
again?
Yeah, same exact shit. But I gotta go though, so I don't got time to stay here. I gotta go packing shit.
I just realized I was muted this whole time. That's crazy.
Nah, you was talking about Papa John's.
Uh,
Oh yeah.
My boy was hungry.
talking about, oh yeah. Yeah. That nigga
But
forgot
nah,
about
I'm
the
gonna leave it up for
Papa.
y'all though. I'll keep y'all updated. Y'all enjoy your day. Be back in the morning.
Blessings.
Bless up.
50, bro.
Hey, just a reminder.
Pull up to y'all gotta pull up to Islands of Adventure today, man. Or Universal.
Islands of Adventure.
Man, I wish I can pull up, bro. Man,
Instant transmission my way over, brother.
pay out so I could start pulling whenever I want to again.
Really?
We need to figure out
Might need to go to the
teleportation technology. I wonder how much they would charge niggas for that shit.
An arm and a leg.
Probably literally, bro. Like,
Yeah, just half your lifespan just to teleport.
yeah, just you want to go to Tokyo, right? Like right now, right?
Yeah,
Like,
just a quarter of your lifespan.
either that or we need 2 mil. Make up, choose.
Billionaires gonna be traveling quick as hell, nigga.
You're gonna be like, how the fuck? He was just in Mexico.
Nah, for real. Me personally, though, I think as far as price, I think it's either gonna
It has to go.
be
bullish
exhausted.
right here.
That's some crazy technology to think about. Do you think that's even possible? Like, do you think that shit will even be a thing one day?
What?
Yeah, this probably already just a
Teleportation,
I definitely
Like-
think it may be possible, but
physical atom transmission from one place to another.
we live in that day and age where technology is advancing so fast where quantum computing has already kind of
Nah, word. What if niggas is really like
Put
beam me
things
up,
into it.
Scotty, and Scotty get beamed the fuck up? Like, yo, that's crazy.
I don't know. We're gonna see. I say we're gonna live. I say by next year we're gonna be in a completely different world. I mean, we kind of
By the end of next year,
We're already on the
probably,
cusp.
bro.
I think by the end of this year, bro, because
I already said it.
a lot of the watch. I'm telling you, corporate America not gonna be a thing by the end of next year at this rate, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Corporate America.
Capitalism. What do you mean by that?
I'm
What do you mean by that?
After I got laid off, she's like, "You waste your time. You better go find a trade." And she told me lock in with trading. Actually, she was like, "You better lock in with trading and take advantage of unemployment because there ain't gonna be no more white collar jobs next year."
I don't think that America will go to like a third world country, but I do think that America is gonna have
Gonna be a
fall
second
off.
world for sure.
Yeah, it'll be like living in Europe, basically, if that makes sense.
Living in Europe might be
if you've ever
better.
been in
I
Europe,
don't know.
you know what I'm saying?
Well, what
It's
part
kinda-
of Europe? Which
it's kinda
country in
like-
Europe? You
honestly,
said Europe, and I
everywhere
immediately just thought the UK. That was ignorant.
I'm gonna be honest though. Everywhere I went in Europe, I was like, dang, I'm thankful I live in America because everything looked run down and beat up, but the quality of life was still decent. And they had
Yeah,
better
you're definitely
quality
not
food.
from Philly.
America's gonna be the best place getting money, but I don't
I was
think.
about to say, there's a lot of places here that are run down and beat up. America is really big.
You want to have an immigrant mindset being here. You come here, make your money, and take your money elsewhere.
people used to come here to make money, but I don't think this. I mean, we just live in a digital age. You can make money anywhere.
Nah,
So
yeah.
you know.
But yeah, that's
You
another
gonna
thing.
come here, make the money, and spend it on bills, nigga.
The idea was just sold to
so
everybody
basically,
that this is the best place to
no,
do business. and
what
make money,
happened
but
was since
world's growing.
2021, trillions is dumping to this economy, so now it's damn near the Hunger Games, pretty much. You gotta have your own
Yeah.
eco. So you gotta have
We are
that
living in the
grandfather
Hunger
then luck.
Games.
And what that grandfather then luck is, if you know, if you will plugged in, or you lived long enough, you could take advantage of certain things. If not, you at the whims of whatever this could look like, or chaos on the politics. Yeah, we can call it chaos. Well, organized chaos at best.
I don't know, man. I don't think that AI stuff is really gonna like replace everything like they say they are.
Man,
I
it
don't
already
know,
has.
bro. I
Look,
I do feel like that's a little ignorant, brother.
I'm saying what's going on right
I
now.
mean, okay. Let me defend my point. I'm speaking from
Yeah, go ahead, go
experience as a actual like engineer in the field right now, and I've survived 3 layoffs this year.
I think what it is, we need to learn from China, like how.
I just think the fact that you've had 3 layoffs says a lot, though.
Engineers who went to Texas
Right,
A&M,
but-
they got laid off from their jobs too, and they're engineers.
Right, but you got to think about the layoffs at each company. Some companies overhired engineers during the pandemic. Some company, like my
You want me
company,
to
the
keep
3
it a beam,
layoffs.
bro?
Hold on, real quick before you say that. The 3
Go ahead.
layoffs that I survived, those were all product people, all like the people that don't produce anything. They're just basically sitting between like me and the higher up management.
I get what you're saying.
You can say that.
And then they pull in like a bunch of like offshore engineers, which are like people from India, and then they kind of split everything between like me, them, and AI. But the AI has to be checked by me, and the offshore engineers have to be checked by me. So it's like certain levels of engineers, like you can't really be replaced by AI because you have to have a human there to basically sign off on everything.
That's one to the majority, though. The majority of engineers are at risk. There's whole companies that have changed to AI systems and robots. I've seen it personally. I know people personally that got laid off because of stuff like that. So it's definitely a thing. And it's a big thing,
I'm
too.
not gonna say it's not happening. I'm not gonna say it's not happening because I have seen it. I got a lot of homies that are like got fired, but for the most part, like a lot of those companies that laid off 20,000 engineers and then bought an AI bot to do all their work, they got to go back and offer those AI or those engineers more money to come back to fix the stuff the AI is fucking up.
Yeah, but then it's also things that, like, say you're not an engineer, say you're just a marketing company. You might be losing money because of AI just from that, because niggas is getting free marketing from AIs making ads and all this other shit.
I mean, yeah, I don't got like a counter to that. I'm just saying, like, it's like I work for a mortgage company. You can only automate so much of this shit with AI because you need somebody to, like, think about it. If you fire me, you got to hire somebody else to then do exactly what I'm doing because AI can't directly replace like my job or like the people on my team.
But that's
and there's other
because
higher up
because
engineers that can't be replaced either.
But we gotta add the factor that this is still entry day to AI. The more
I was just about to say, I think it's only a matter of time, bro. Like, AI's only been out for what, like 4 years? It's kind of crazy, bro, what it's accomplished in just that time.
Right, but like it hasn't really accomplished the whole, like it's taken out clerical jobs, it's taken out data entry jobs, but like as far as like creating the code or configuring it or troubleshooting it,
No, I hear you. Definitely
but
not
you're
yet,
not going to
but
depend on it.
AI also is still
I think what AI is
still being
I think I'm
developed. I
starting
feel
to
like
get the
this.
picture of what Elon Musk is talking about, where AI is going to take out all remedial task jobs. I say my problem with AI and what it's doing to humanity, I might sort of say, is it's stripping a sense, you know what I'm saying, a sense of what life is and what it's supposed to be.
Yeah, no, you're correct. You're correct, because if you just have AI, like even Jenna, your point, the marketing stuff, if AI is doing all the marketing, then why are we producing robots to take over the creative endeavors when they were initially created to do the menial tasks that nobody wanted to do? Now you're firing off large swaths of creatives, engineers, and everybody in between to hand it all off to the AI. Who the
The
fuck's gonna be
reason
left to
is
buy
simple
shit?
though.
But their intention is to simulate a human life as much as possible. So they enter human anatomy, which is your brain,
I
body
was about to say,
function, every cognitive function in your body. They
even
learn
deeper
how
than
you
that.
react to things, and it reacts to your body, and they simulate it in AI form as much as
So
possible. So there's
basically,
gonna get to a point
the
where they
world,
get it
look, bro,
perfected,
this
and it's
world is
just as
looking
good
at
as a
I was
selling
about
regular
to say,
itself
person.
even
out.
deeper than that, the intention is really just to make more money. And
Yes.
so if
It's
they can,
to cut workers so you don't have to
yeah,
pay
like,
them. And like that's why like right now they're putting AI tech on like all of our laptops to basically see how we conduct our work to
Yeah,
train the AI model off that.
facts.
Problem is
good, bro.
I'm like I have enough security knowledge to know when this is happening. So when it is happening, I'm not working the same.
Right.
And like if I'm doing this, a shitload of other engineers are doing this. So this is where you're basically training the AI off bullshit so that it hallucinates more. And I have to do it because that's the only way I can
That's
get
the
like
way you
some
keep
job
your
security.
job. That's how you
Exactly.
keep your job. Yeah.
So like if a whole bunch of engineers are doing that, then like you're just training the AI on bullshit that it can't reproduce. So then it's like you're spending all this money to do less.
Right.
And like I get it, I understand the motives. It makes numerical sense, but like it doesn't make sense to me in the long term that if you get rid of white collar jobs, there can only be so many plumbers and electricians. Who the fuck is gonna buy products?
Yeah.
Who's buying houses?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I said. Sense of society, like.
Yeah, Jennifer.
I don't know. I think to me the whole AI thing is it's believable, it's scary, but I think it's oversold.
I mean, you have to. I mean, think about it, all the world leaders. They're getting old. They're trying to live as long as they can, and they're trying to. Oh yeah, it was CERN. Oh yeah, that ties in. They're trying to create. They just create like a particle with CERN, and I guess what they're trying to. Oh yeah, they're trying to figure out how to create time travel.
Dog, we can't even get buses to run on time. We're fucked. They trying to make time travel.
No, I'm not lying. No, CERN is part of that, but I think, making a long story short, I think what it is, I guess you're trying to
Okay, you here?
buy more time. You're trying to find ways to buy more time. If that includes buying more money, we'll do more money. If that includes creating a narrative, create wars, it'll create. I ain't saying I'm not doing that. I'm saying the so-called higher ups.
Right.
But everything they're doing is to buy more time. They're aging. They're not lasting. Even down to they don't even want to pass down to like stuff to because they're not quote unquote sure if the kids are competent to do what they're doing.
That's hilarious. It's coming from a generation that wasn't ever respected.
Yeah.
Like how the fuck we incompetent? We grew up with the technology.
Man, we the smartest generation, bro. Don't let nobody fool y'all, bro.
I keep it a being. I think the younger
bro.
generation is smarter. I just don't think they got any drive to like use it or do anything with it.
Well, when I say that's what I'm saying.
They don't
I'm
have
saying that generation, like as in a whole, like I'm grouping like us together. Like if you like the old generation, just like the old niggas. Like I feel like you a part of the new generation, even if you like I don't know. I would say 30, but like I mean,
I was
yeah,
born in
'cause it's-
'96, so I'm like right on that cusp.
Yeah,
of
like you get what I'm saying. Like
No.
Yeah.
Look, this what you got. This what we all have to understand. Remember, back in the days, if you want to get any form of media, it took people weeks to get form of media. It took weeks or months even to get.
I'm not just talking
Now
about
we
that
just
though.
get
Like
information.
he said he born in '96, bro.
No, I'm born in
He
'96
seen.
too. I'm putting
But
that
look,
in context.
y'all niggas saw everything though. So like, you know what I'm saying? You seen the iPhones and shit. Not the like you was there on the part where y'all barely had tech or whatever. But like, nigga, you grew up in tech too, shit.
I mean, like in the early
generation where
'90s and the
we knew a
2000s,
life without tech growing up. in tech coming into it, and in tech, I guess you might call it evolve.
Yeah, no,
Like,
actually,
okay,
you're right. Because like when I was younger, right, the only way to get music was to legit hear it on the fucking radio. And like
yeah,
when my sister went to college, she'd be like, "Oh, did you hear this like new Lil Wayne album that dropped or whatever the fuck?" And
yeah,
I'd be like, "No, we don't get like the music would
yeah,
be 2 months behind from when it got
yeah,
to everywhere else because we were out in the country."
that too.
Man,
Or even down to the maps. You had to go to a store, buy you a map. You couldn't use no Google map, and you
Yeah.
chilling.
You had to highlight that fucking route.
Basically, you damn near gotta use the maps like a Bible. You lose that map, you're gonna be forced to having to ask people like, oh, do you know this? Oh, do you know that? And you gotta trust that they're not gonna lead you to the wrong path.
yeah, that shit crazy. That shit sounds ass.
I mean, it was
Back in-
inconvenient as shit, but
Yeah,
no,
nah, the
it
world
was what it was.
had to level up, nigga. Like, nigga, the fuck? Let's go to the store and get a map, bro.
Well, I mean, it was different back then because like most people like lived in their cities or whatever, so like everybody already knew all the streets they needed to go to or to hit or whatever. It was just a problem if you was like right now, I can leave Texas, go straight to New York, know exactly where the fuck I'm going.
Yeah.
If I had done that in the early 2000s, I'd be lost to shit.
You have a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. I still feel like our generation though, like the newer generation, this shit like is just the shit. And we the ones, we really run this shit. You know, like I
think,
heard like one of y'all was like, we ain't got no
generation
drive.
You know how they talking about the buy nothing and no
Still being happy or
yeah,
whatever.
There you go. So have nothing
Yeah.
on nothing. I think the think the people that'll stay on top are the ones that can keep receipts, keep information, keep data log. The one keeps the most data log is the one who will win the most. Because what companies are looking to do is take your information, your likes, dislikes, literally you pretty much your bio field, if you want to call it bioenergetic. Oh, so you like this, you like that, and sell it back to you.
Get them first, and if they keep going and they try to hurt
I mean, think about it. People don't store their movies. People don't store their movies. People don't store their music. People don't. You know what I'm saying? They're selling you. They're selling you that. They're selling that back to you. Or
Hold on,
even
what are
with
you
even with trading
what are
back
you
in the
getting
day,
at though?
I've
Like,
learned.
So he's
learned
talking
back in
about
the
like
days with
preserving
day
media.
Yeah.
Which is like I got a Plex server with all the movies that like my wife wants to watch or whatever. Like I'll just go download the movie, throw it on the Plex server. She could watch it on the TV whenever. And like my dad back in the day used to have like 600-700 VHS tapes in his collection.
Yeah.
Like we used to be much more like if you bought something, you wanted to have it, and like you wanted to have it in a way where people can't take it from you. Whereas like now with the way we do like music and iTunes and YouTube music.
Oh yeah, Paramount was South Park. Then,
but it's like when it's not like you can't buy physical music, but like who spends their money? The value was up because you bought it physical because you couldn't watch it digital. You get what I'm saying? Like you had to buy that hoe on a DVD player and all that shit, and it's for the CD from the bootleg man and shit.
I disagree only because like back in the day, if you bought a CD, right, you had the CD, you had all the tracks, how the artist intended them to go out. Nowadays, you can get an album, listen to the album. 2 months later, they switch out a line in the album.
Back then, they
like
had
little
CDs
shit
had like
that.
whole stories and origins behind why the name was the name and all that shit. It was
Hey, they
more
still
organic.
got that now. You
And
just gotta look at the YouTube videos and shit.
Audio even was better back in the day too. They had like authentic, real audio. The audio we got now is fainted and tainted by AI and other like shit like that.
Also use different frequencies to.
Yeah, it's
for
different. It's a
speakers
whole
and shit.
different. It's a whole different vibe. That's why it feels different when you listen to the music. Their music was better. I ain't gonna lie.
Deadass,
And the
bro, I was
physical
listening.
copies, was good too, because they had tapes where you could walk around with tapes too. You didn't have to have a phone all day. You wasn't desensitized to shit. Food was less processed. Food was more organic back in the day. They had more remedies. So if you really think about it, back in the day, they smarter than us today, bro. They was way more smarter. They had the cognitive functions and ability to be more smarter. Right now, everything is controlled.
I mean, yeah,
the
I
thing
agree
is,
because
it was
you had to
control back then,
figure
but
out
they
the
just
stuff
more
that you
control
wanted to
now.
use.
And then the
I mean, it
thing
wasn't
is
as
now,
controlled anywhere
they
near as much.
operation they operation now is to save more money. So
Yeah.
obviously they doing was making more money. They don't care about the quality and shit. They don't make us as people.
Traders and to the older traders, they had to keep as much
But we the
information.
consumers, though.
What they have, they buy and sell. They had to keep all the data. I mean, not all that's put into.
Man, I keep more data than them niggas back in the day, bro.
Bro, it's impossible for them to have been able to keep more data than us.
Yeah, like we can hold more data now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even if I had to do it in a notebook, I have more data than them niggas. I'm trying to every trade, nigga.
If you have Gen 1 iPhone, it has more memory capacity than the computers they use to send niggas to space. Like our technology has gotten better, but like our ability to control what we own has dramatically degraded. Like
they made stop making things analog. They started having the machines do things themselves, and it made us use our brain less. I'm not gonna lie, our brains aren't exercised as much as they were back then.
Why is that though? Because
niggas don't read. Niggas don't have to do as many things, bro.
It saves more money, nigga. Why would you? So you as a business owner, if you have a robot that can do a job, why would you pay a human?
I wouldn't even say that it saves more money. I feel like it saves more time, and that's why we do it.
Time and money, and that's what
that's what everybody costs you more money.
That's what everybody in this call want. That's why everybody in here trade to get time and money. You want your time back, and you getting paid, nigga. You know what I'm saying? That's what entrepreneurs do. We shouldn't be saying our generation is less than because. Motherfucker, we not fucking thinking hard and working hard.
They're poisoning us every day, though, nigga. The water you drink, the food you eat, the air you breathe.
Mind you, all of this is personalized. Ain't nobody controlling the food that you eat.
Nigga, there's a bunch of additives and nigga, yes, they are.
You can go to the organic stores.
Nigga, your meats are dyed in the supermarket, bro. There's so much fucked up shit going on, bro.
You can control, nigga. If you wanted to eat so clean, nigga, you can eat all plant-based meals if you wanted to, nigga.
Hold on, that's not really true because all the seeds you would plant are going to be GMO processed.
I was about to say that, bro.
But look. If you wanna be quote unquote that more healthier person, nigga, a smarter person, all type of shit.
It's easier said than done.
Don't have no excuse on why this is the reason why we can't do nothing. Just do it.
No, what it is.
It's easier said than done, bro.
Nobody said like excuse.
This is how the world has been.
I'm talking about like 10 years old and up. I might get somebody even say 15 years old. What it is I think this is my thing. What it is they're not getting the holistic approach. They're getting the
you can't get a holistic approach, Dyson. But okay, if everything is modified, how are you able to connect with anything if everything is modified by another power?
So I think I got an answer for this. Like when we were younger, right? You didn't have the availability to watch the top people in the world wipe their ass and do everything in between.
Yeah.
Like you had to basically base yourself off the people you were around. Like that's how you built yourself up over time.
That's how you got knowledge with anything. That's how you even did anything.
Exactly. But like nowadays, all the kids do is sit around and watch influencers or watch this or watch that, and it's all processed bullshit that's not giving them any good info.
That's why he just said what he just said. Because bro, hold on, let me finish, bro. There's actual organic places that have gotten trouble for it not being organic, altered. There's places where they growing the fake shit right next to the real shit. And they putting the pesticides on the real shit and in the fake shit. So you can't really say you don't have the option unless you don't. Unless you wasn't grow your own food, that should take years. So in them years that you growing food, how are you gonna be able to do it if you can't?
Bro,
but then that's why I say even if you grow your own
everybody don't have an option, bro.
Consume the content.
If you from the hood, bro, you know this shit, bro. I don't. If you not from the hood, you don't understand that shit, bro. There's nothing in the hood that's healthy for you, gang. What is you talking about?
To get up and eat what the fuck you
want. No, you don't, gang. If you live in the hood, bro, there's nothing.
That's ignorant, bro.
You not from the hood, then, bro. I'm not backing that shit. You sound retarded as hell.
No.
Hold on. Come on, bro. You don't gotta do all that.
If you want to consume better content to be a better person, it's easier.
Bro, that is ignorant. That is ignorant to the people that is going through shit, bro.
If you want to eat better, if you want to eat better,
hold on. Let's hear him out.
It's nothing to do that. All the shit y'all are talking about doing you can wake up and do this shit today, nigga.
Can I respond?
People consuming quote unquote the wrong content. We all have a choice, nigga. If I want to
hold
watch motherfucking Casa,
why do you think you have a choice?
No,
No,
you do not, bro. That is ignorant to the people that's really going through shit, bro. I'm not.
What did you watch?
So you telling me everybody with a phone don't got a choice to watch what they want to watch?
No, bro. When you grew up as a kid, you didn't have the choice to watch none of the shit that you watched. You just watched it because it was put in your face. Was it bullshit or not?
Yeah.
Yes. You didn't have no choice.
And you didn't have the media literacy to know that it was bullshit.
I'm not.
So you just gonna watch bullshit.
I'm not hearing that, bro. That's ignorant, bro. And then you talking over me, bro. I'm not. That's ignorant, gang. I'm not.
Oh,
hearing
you
none
know,
of that shit.
oh shoot, I think I could add to that add to the whole.
If you from the hood, you really understand that shit.
I don't think you always have a choice though either.
You don't, bro.
Yeah.
There's also food deserts.
What it is this. We have a comparison issue. You know what I'm saying? What you have. This is what we're talking about. You don't know what you don't have it till it's gone. Oh, because of your surrounding situation. All right, my surrounding rich situation is worse. That's why you have a lot of rich kids. They're trying to do that stuff rather than the poor kids. The poor kids can do stuff on the tablet versus the rich. Like what that? Well, long story short, I'm like, why are the rich kids trying to go to that situation when they're rich? They don't have to. Like what are you doing? And that says more to what's going on than anything else. So I believe.
I agree that you got free will to make whatever choices you want, but that doesn't necessarily pertain to everybody because there are food deserts where like the only place you can get food is like a Dollar General.
From a Walmart.
Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. And bro, tell me what healthy
Not even a Dollar General, bro. The Aldi's, the Giant, the ShopRite, the Kroger's. Like it don't matter. It don't matter where you're going, bro.
That's ignorant, bro. You cannot just stand on that opinion, bro. There's people who really went through shit and they don't have a choice, gang. So what? You're not gonna stand up for them people that don't got a choice.
Doing this for longer than you've been able to cognitively make decisions for yourself.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Matter of fact, I'll go as far as this. Like they can properly and adequately feed the people, but they're not gonna do that. That's not gonna be quote unquote proper. I mean, matter of fact, no. Beyond that, you have people suing the place, suing the restaurant. Or you know what? You have people suing the place and whatnot. We're gonna do that. Or
But they're proven lab tested and grown meat, bruh. Like that shit is approved. They're about to start using that shit in like Chick-fil-A and shit.
That's a fact, bro.
Actually, Chick-fil-A, they've been doing that in Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, I can't eat that shit no more, bro. Like
matter
that
of fact,
shit
if you look at the ingredients as over like 50 ingredients, probably 100.
If you look at like cancer numbers, bro, people are way sicker now than they've ever been.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Let's say you see a food additive, right? If it doesn't say organic, let's say nitrous oxide. You don't know what kind of process that
hold on, guys. Hold on.
If they put quote unquote natural flavors, you don't know what they probably did 10, 20, 30 processes to create that quote unquote natural.
Nonetheless, they say that you ingest a credit card of plastic a week, man.
Nonetheless,
like just on your everyday. Oh, he left?
He had left after he said what he said. I don't know what. But
but they say you ingest a credit card of plastic a week, bro. Just going about your life, eating what you eat, drinking what you drink. There's a bunch of microplastics in your water bottles and all this other crazy shit, bro. If you use like plastic utensils to eat, paper plates, like it's everywhere. They line the inside of like Starbucks cups with plastics, bro. Like it's nasty, bro. Like
that opinion sounds retarded. I'm not